So guys, here we have is our gold. We would want to see where this price will be moving for the next day. So to be able to predict this price itself, I want you to actually first of all click on the subscribe button if you've not subscribed yet. Make sure you like, share, and also make your comments. I'll love to watch out for it. So let's start with our daily time frame on this our gold itself to be able to understand this movement. So to be able to predict this movement, this gold price movement, we would want to understand the trend of this gold. Clearly, we can clearly see that this is actually a downward trend. So price is bearish, right? Even if you are to take a look at this trade, you are a beginner, you know that this is actually a downward trend, and meaning we are to go short, we are to short this gold, right? And I've also included moving average, which is 10 I'll be using. So once price is below our 10 period moving average, it is definitely below our 20 period moving average. We all know the rules of trading it. Once the price is below 10 period moving average, right, we are to short this price, right? So clearly this price is below 10 period moving average and we are to short it. Now, if you were actually following this consistently, I did analysis on the 19th, yes, where we predicted that to actually open and close bullish for the day, and guess what? We actually went bullish on this good. I even took the trade itself, and it actually gave us that bearish move. So gold actually gave us that bearish move. Now, if you take a look at this movement, is the bearish move over? Definitely not. We would want to still see this gold actually drop further down and possibly break below this week. So we should be able to accomplish it by the next day, which is on the Friday. Next day, which is Friday, last day of the week. Price should be able to, drop and break below this week. We are expecting gold to actually drop and break this week. This is exactly what we are expecting on our gold. Now, take a look at this movement. So once price can come tap this week and possibly break below it, if possible, if it does not break it, then fine. We should see a pullback on this our gold. Now take a look at this movement on gold itself from here. We can take this as a bearish move, impulse move, right, downward. We can see this as a correction, and now another impulse move downward. Here comes the correction, right? Of course, we are now expected to go bearish move again. So to come to this week here, once price comes to this week, then a correction will occur again on our gold, by the way. So gold we still have about let's say 1300 pips, I think 1300 pips bearish move to be made on gold before we kind of see like a pullback. So gold, we are still on a bearish move, right? So once we have about that 100 and 130 pips bearish move that is being made. Once we have about 130 pips bearish move that has been made on gold, then a pullback will occur on this gold. So daily time frame, we are still on a bearish move. Now let's see what this 4-hour time frame actually says, by the way. So clearly we can see we would want to take this trade, right? We would go to the 4-hour time frame. Assuming the 4-hour time frame is showing us a bullish move, we would have stayed out of this trade, but clearly this 4-hour time frame is showing us a bearish move, meaning it is now time for us to jump on this trade. And even the price is even still below the 10 period moving average. So this is still an indication that gold itself is now on a bearish move. So we can take a look at this movement on gold. This is a drop. Here comes the correction. Now we can see that this drop has broken this previous lows, right? And correction was made here. Of course, we are now expecting another drop to be made, which will actually going to get it very soon. And this price should be able to break these lows and continue to go bearish move to take out this, candlestick wick here we've just highlighted, which will be giving us like 130 pips bearish move that will be made on our gold. And lastly, 1-hour time frame still on a bearish move. Can take a look at this massive drop. So maybe if you want to take this trade, you can wait for this price to actually break this week here. Once price can break below this candlestick wick here, then you can jump on the trade. It is up to you. I won't tell you how to take this trade. So above all, gold for the day that we are looking for, we would actually see it open and close bearish.